Hello, thanks for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss my top carrier choices for handmade body butter businesses or handmade skincare business, specifically body butters. So these oils, I'm going to discuss the benefits of them and why I think you should add them to your archive. Well, why I think you should add them to your list of oils that you're considering. If you want to know this, keep watching. The first oil we're going to discuss is sweet almond oil. Almond oil. It is a bit oily to the touch, but a bit oily with a little bit of residue. However, when you mix it with a whipped body, like with whipped shea butter, when you mix it with shea butter or any other butters to create your body butter, it is not so bad. It's very moisturizing. It is also very close to the sebum on your skin. What I mean is the sebum on your skin is a natural oil, natural lubricant that your skin produces throughout the day, and sweet almond oil is very close to that. It is also very nourishing to the skin. You can use it for eczema, very dry skin, and to soften wrinkles around your eyes. This oil is a nut oil, so some people with nut allergies may not want to use almond oil, or you can consult a doctor, decide if you'd like to add this to your products or anything like that. If you do have a nut allergy, or if you're creating a skincare line and you'd like to not use nut oils, then you could go ahead and substitute this oil with apricot oil. So the next oil we're going to discuss is actually apricot kernel oil. Apricot kernel oil is almost odorless, practically colorless. It is greasy, but it doesn't really leave a residue on your skin. As I mentioned before, it is a substitute for sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is also very nourishing to the skin. You can use it on your face and your hands. It is a very good addition to body oils and body creams. Avocado oil is another oil that I really like, especially in scrubs. Like in scrubs, it really does a good job. But avocado oil is a very thick oil. It is also very heavy, but it is highly penetrating, and this is a very thick oil. Avocado oil is a very thick oil and it's very heavy. It is highly penetrating and it has a great spreadability and is really moisturizing for your skin. It gives your skin a sheen, but it's not very sticky, which is really good. It has like a deep olive color, and if it has a pale yellow color, that means that this oil is refined. If it is clear, then that means the oil has been bleached. Because avocado oil is so moisturizing and highly penetrating as it is great to add to eczema butters, and it is great for eczema prone skin and super dry skin. So if you wanted to create a recipe that targets dry skin, eczema, or anything like that, I will suggest to test out using avocado oil in your mixtures. Probably try to do at least 25% with another oil to get a nice mixture for your body butter. Grapeseed oil is another one. Grapeseed oil is very moisture, like it's light and it's so moisturizing. Especially using grapeseed oil in like lip balms is really good. Like grapeseed oil is not, I don't think it is used a lot because everybody's into coconut oil, but grapeseed oil is a really good oil to add. Great for like oily or sensitive skin. Like it has great properties. It has like a low, I'm gonna put it right here, it doesn't really clog your pores. It also reduces the redness and inflammation associated with acne breakouts. It is well tolerated by all skin types. All right, so another oil that I want to discuss is hemp seed oil, which is one of my favorite oils, and this is the oil that I actually include in all my body butters. And this is because hemp seed oil is really great for like oily or sensitive skin. Like it has great properties. It has like a low, I'm gonna put it right here, it doesn't really clog your pores. I took notes, so I'm gonna look at my notes. It also reduced the redness and inflammation associated with acne breakouts. It is well tolerated by all skin types, and it has amazing skin softening and moisturizing properties as well. So I really love hemp seed oil, and it's also great, something that a lot of people probably like breakouts or eczema and dry patches. They like hemp seed oil is really good for that. So this is why I added into my eczema butter. So that is one of the oils that I add into my eczema butter to help with that super dry flaky skin. So definitely check out hemp seed oil as well. The only thing I'll say about hemp seed oil on refined one, it does have a very thick, dark, like greenish color, so it might kind of make your shea, for me, when I mix it with my shea butter, sometimes it makes the shea butter a little bit darker. And if you add color into it, it might change. That dark color might mix with the color that you have and kind of change the color of it. But definitely check it out.